Well, we've got a problem here. Something is not letting the toilet flush. And I think it's the diaphragm. Stops right away, and that's what's causing the water hammer. So we very well might have to replace this diaphragm here. Bad flushometer, bad. Now this is an older one. This is a 1920s flushometer. So these are a little different. These have a cap that just kind of like sits like that, and take it off. And these you can just use a regular pliers or channel, whatever, adjustable channel lock on wrench, because it's not the new ones where you have to get around there with the flat jawed. So I'm going to get it around here to get the diaphragm out. What we're thinking is this one's not used that much, so the rubber is probably degraded and is stuck to the piston, and that's why it's doing that. So it's definitely the diaphragm. We're going to have to change it. I have my cold water branch valve shut off here, and to know that I'm off, I open up the cold water on the sink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to get this off, but again, I need two hands because I don't want to move any spuds or anything like that. Okay, I have it loosened up. Let's see what we got. I have the new part right here. Oh yeah, that's old. It's still got a metal cap on it. Wow. It's brass. It's still got a brass cap. Get my flathead screwdriver under there. Alright, I gotta use two hands for this one. Okay, so here's the old diaphragm. Shit. Yeah, careful, because the rubber on this is all black, and you don't want to get this stuff to stain here. There we go, I'll get it out of here. All right, that's the piston. Okay. Now we'll get the diaphragm out. Oh, geez, it looked like there was a piece of metal in there. Man, this thing, look at this. This thing is, that's the problem. Look how old this diaphragm is. Look how corroded and worn it is. And it's just falling apart. That's bad, man. I gotta make sure nothing gets in there. Wow. I've never seen one in this bad of condition before. Never have I ever seen one like this. Oh, it smells. There we go. Whoop. That's it. Man, that's it. So now, good thing to do is put the cap back on, flush this thing out, and then put the diaphragm, the new diaphragm in, because any of those little bits that get in there, it's not good. So sometimes I like to do that. Put the cap back on, give her a flush, get all that junk out of there. Give her a good flush. All right. Now. All right. Okay, hold on. So, I just cleaned everything up a bit. Here's our new diaphragm. This is a 4.5 gallon flush. And we just drop that in, like so, and then we put this metal cap back on. Okay. And we'll put the the cover back on over that cap. Tighten it down. And we'll see what we get here, if we get any leaks or anything. But let me just use 2 hands because I want to make sure that nothing moves. Okay guys, so I'm all the way open with the valve. Oops, almost fell over. No leaks. Let's flush it. And that's a done deal. I'd flush it a few times before I leave. Gotta make sure nothing's coming out on the spud or here. Vacuum breaker's fine. This is a very old flushometer, original from the building, 1920s. This building was built in 1929. Very well, an original 1929 flushometer. Well, put the little cap back on, and there you have it, guys. That's job done. Thanks for watching. Mike out.